In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a collection in Webflow's CMS, a crucial step to managing your content effectively. Whether you're building a blog, a product catalog, or an image gallery, getting this right will streamline your content management process. Let's start by opening up Webflow and looking at the left-hand panel. You'll notice an icon that looks like two small coins. This is the CMS tab, your central hub for controlling your dynamic content. Click on this icon to get started. You're now in the CMS section, where you'll see an option to create a new collection. Click on the Create a New Collection button to open up a world of possibilities. Now you have two main options. You can either craft a collection from a blank slate, or use one of Webflow's pre-configured templates. These templates are especially handy if you're working on a common project type, like a blog. Choosing the blog post template, for instance, automatically provides you with fields typical to blog entries, such as the title, body content, and publication date. This is a fantastic way to streamline your process because these fields cover what you'd commonly need in a blog. But if your needs are more specific, going with a blank template allows you the freedom to customize everything from the ground up. Once you've selected your template, it's time to give your collection a name. This is what you'll see in the CMS to identify this group of items, so choose something descriptive and straightforward, like blog post, to make it easily recognizable. The URL field right below lets you adjust the path if you want it to be different from the name. This customization is especially helpful for SEO purposes or for maintaining a clean, logical site structure. Ensure your URL is clear and concise, reflecting the content type within this collection. After naming your collection and tweaking the URL, you're ready to complete this first critical step. Simply click Create Collection. With a satisfying click, you've now established a framework for organizing and managing your content easily within Webflow. Congratulations, you're well on your way to having a powerful system to manage your content effortlessly. In the next steps of your Webflow journey, you might look at setting up fields specific to your needs, adding content, or even customizing the design. But with this foundational knowledge of creating a collection, you've set the stage for a more streamlined and efficient content management experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.